everyone. So it's been a week now since I printed this page as front cover for March. So what I basically do with this page, which is now not looking so fine, so what I just basically do is I just paste it in this book that I have made for myself and just flip it over. Yeah, so this book is a scrapbook. So basically I just scrapbook in this book. I made this front cover myself as well. I get my photos from Pinterest. I also get a lot of my other photos from a very good website that gives you photos that are not copyrighted. So yeah,